有焖茶一个 quality 啊 if you don't order food here then they just become assholes and they don't want to serve you tea, you know. 你好。
你手揸住，你半斤我半斤。
This is like a marketplace.
我2蚊咯，肉啊，我2蚊啊。
Most places selling pork and everything like that.
用竹嘅咪用竹嘅咪啊！新鮮嘅用竹，新鮮嘅用竹。
Road in the streets. So any food from Xinjiang have the halal sign. Changzhen. Changzhen is a Chinese word for halal. Changzhen. So this is Changzhen. Changzhen. For sure halal.
好啊，我哋唔使落頭嘅。
哎
呀，我而家就想我味道好嘛，泰國甜都會。
all the different and live squids and mussels, eels, or whatnot.
Kaya sila yung kuwang nila.
Complete. Let's start off.
cho âm bạn phi ra cái đồ hay á mày đâu đi mày hút cầu
The mushrooms. And tofu. mushrooms, dried fruits, some herbs, whatnot. I can find myself a bag here. That will make my going to the market to the canton trip much easier because I don't want to carry my camera back there. It's really going to be a very, very tough one. So this is the culture of eating fresh in China. It's very huge. Fish, everything must be fresh. Most time they, as much as possible, they would cut live fish in front of them. So the fruit culture is huge. Look at this: kiwis, dragon fruit, cantaloupes, and you name it. They've got it all. You want this to get some fresh fish for me? Very Muslim places have like restaurants have Shenzhen, Shenzhen. So this one is not Shenzhen. I don't know. It's also not Shenzhen. How many days this morning? That's really the last 2 days. In terms of things, I don't know what to consider. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Another KFC, another enough. People coming here. Very careful. So the project. I have to more tea because directly they will not understand. Just有焖茶一个 only tea. Huh? If you don't order food here, then they just become assholes and they don't want to serve you tea, you know. So that's why I'd rather say the local Chinese, they will give you a better service than these assholes. Sometimes you assume because they are Muslims and you see Muslims around, they come here, they'll give you a good service, but totally assholes. But because you want tea, you can go. I am very sure you find it many places for tea. So that's not an issue. You will find tea, but I don't know ready to walk around. And it's too early, so where do you find tea? And then head to hotel and go to what's the thing? We go to food, but we do something. How the fuck in the morning you don't have tea? No? It's just ridiculous. So, this one is going the other way. Just gonna go back where you came from. And I'll show you guys some tea. The problem with all the Muslim restaurants, especially in Guangzhou, they want to rip you off. That's the problem. You rather buy from Chinese restaurant who are Muslim certified, not like these particular pricks. I know them for some time, and whenever they see you in the morning also they have that dirty look they give you in the morning. So yeah, rather not buy from these pricks. Buy from people who can give you good service. Pay the money, but get a good service. So, won't go the same way we came through. We'll take a different route. I'm sure we will find some food here. But you're not looking for food, just want some tea. Wake you up in the morning for I start off my journey. So there's some cup and coffee shops, Lincoln Coffee or something like that, I forgot the name we call it. They've got some good coffee and tea as well. Buying from there would be sensible, but it's not nearby, it's far. If I don't get any tea this morning, just now, I'll just decide to just go to the Canton Fair and get some tea there. But just to start off the brain, you need some coffee, you know, or some tea. I'm not a coffee fan, just tea would do. That's one of the biggest problem in the morning in Guangzhou is for breakfast.
Chuyện này chứ tông ấy biến quạt.
So, what is to pick someone who's flying on top? Right. It's up to take. You don't have. Cafe.
他天天问我干什么，有什么好问的？
Sure. Oh, those are bloody mouse.
挺难的啊。
Hello，你好，有班茶，tea，听不懂，tea，等一下。Do you have some tea? Do you have some tea? 是
茶
啊，没有那个我们sugar milk tea milk 不要milk tea
也不知道啊。
milk 不要啊
没有。
OK Is there a shop nearby I can buy this tea from? Okay. 谢谢你。